If you hate Jesus, then keep scrolling. But if you love Jesus, then stick around and watch until the end. God is saying to you today, you're about to receive the most unexpected blessing of your life. You're about to meet the reason why your soul had to garner all that patience, humility, and faith. You're about to experience the rare, unparalleled magic of a miracle. Just watch. One day very soon, nothing will be as at once was. Your path is about to shift for the greater good of your journey. Your recent growth is about to pay off in the most profound and gratifying way. Stay tuned. Type yes if you believe. Next 7 days will be extraordinary. You are entering a season filled with happiness, love, harmony. Expect improvements in your business, life, spiritual life, and romantic relationships that you are attracting. Your soul, family, real love, financial abundance, authentic relationships, good health. God is saying to you today, why are you stressing so much? Give me your worries. I will take care of you. Stop trying to solve everything on your own. I am here. I love you. God is saying to you today, the battle is not yours, it's mine. Whenever you feel like giving up and you can't seem to pick yourself up, remember that your strength comes from me. Don't you dare give up. I have amazing things in store for you. Type 1212 to receive it. October is going to be a magical month for you. I trust that I am going to make incredible progress towards my goals. This month, obstacles will fall away and your path will become more and more clear with each passing day. Something good is going to happen. Today, healing is going to happen. Prayers are going to be answered. New opportunities and doors are going to open. Today will be big too. I declare something you prayed about as moving closer to you. Get ready and start packing. God is about to put keys right in your hand. 3. I declare today that you won't stress over things that are out of your control. Will be people, jobs will be jobs. But one thing is for sure, God will be God. Let Him handle it. 4. Expect to hear some good news today. Dad is working behind the scenes. He is fighting for you. 5. God is about to open a door for you that you didn't even knock on. The blessings you are about to receive is going to blow your mind. 6. God has already planned your epic comeback. Get ready for the celebration. In Jesus' name. 7. Trust God will get you through this season. He will fix what is broke. Rest in Him. 8. Everything will work out. God knows how big your dreams are. You will not fail. You type yes. If you needed this, you're about to get a sudden rush of opportunities and blessings that will clear the way for you. Be patient, believe in miracles and divine guidance. It's about to happen. Type 333. God says, people will always fail you, but I never will. Put your life in my hands and I will take care of you. I love you. If you trust God, activate the flow of unlimited wealth, happiness, pleasure, freedom, and confidence into your life by making one tiny change to your morning routine. Would you want? Type yes if you are ready. When manifesting, speak your desires into your reality by speaking in the present tense. An easy way to do this is by using I am statements. By saying your desires are coming keeps them in the future. By saying you have it in the now will bring it into your present reality. Type yes to affirm. Just wait and see why God had you wait. What God is doing is beyond what you could ever pray or think of. Something very good is coming your way. Good news, good times, good relationships, good health, and many blessings. Claim it now. You are doing the best you know with what you have learned. Today, give yourself patience, love, and compassion. The patience to stick to the path that leads to the prosperity you want. The self-love to know that you deserve what's right, not what's left. The self-compassion to release what does not serve you, while embracing a big trust you have the strength and confidence needed to redirect your life. You've got this. Type 444 if you needed this. You may have had a lot of those things. Haven't worked out, but you need to get ready. Yes is coming. Yes to the healing. Yes to the breakthrough. Your yes is on the way. God is about to open doors that will not open. You let the universe know that you deserve the best by treating yourself well. Everything starts with how you feel about yourself. Feel worthy. Feel valuable. Feel special. Feel deserving of receiving the best. It will happen for you. Type a yes to claim it. Your story is about to change so epically it's going to make your heart and head spin. All the time and effort you put into mastering yourself is about to satisfyingly pay off. The way your journey has been set up is a pure work of art. This next breakthrough is going to confirm that every ounce of magic in you is about to triple in size. Take a second to enjoy the present moment. Your next chapter is going to leave a permanent smile on your face and a lifetime of joy in your soul. Type 666. If you trust God is going to do something amazing in your life this month. I don't know what you've been praying about or what has had your pillows soaked with tears, but I am here today to you that God has heard your prayers. Angels have been dispatched, and you will see your miracle soon. I declare you will see your health turned around for the good. You will surprise the doctors. You will get the job. Your job is to act and speak like it's going to happen. Walk by faith, not by sight. Type 222 to affirm and share this video with 5 people who trust God. Comment, Jesus is Lord. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Before we part ways, I'd like to leave you with a few parting thoughts.